Hi friends, we are so happy that you are with us today, and right now I will show you how to delete shortcuts on the Snapchat app. Let's go to the watching. The first step is to open our Snapchat and go to the chat settings here. To get access to the whole shortcuts list, we just need to swipe a little bit our screen, and as you can check here at the top, we have a lot of all our shortcuts. To delete some of them, we just need to pick on the plus icon opposite and to create a new shortcut, but definitely we won't tap on this blue, okay? We just need to tap on the selected shortcut we want to delete, to remove from our list. So I just tap on the first one. So to delete it, we need to pick on the trash bar at the top and confirm our decision after tapping on the yes, delete this shortcut. So as you can check, this old shortcut is smoothly deleted and removed. So it's very easy to do, and I hope that this short tutorial was definitely useful. Don't forget about likes, guys, and if you want to know more about the shortcuts, you can find another video on our channel about the Snapchat and other apps and other tricks. So goodbye, good luck!